Yeah, so dealing with some kind of like mid back tension, kind of trying to balance lifting and working at a desk. So, owning a business and then also being a fitness enthusiast does some damage to the body. And then, as always, my ankle is always a little stiff, and then my arms aren't growing. So, got to figure out why those aren't getting bigger. Probably an activation thing.
Let's take a look. I'm going to start you face down if you don't mind. All right. Yes, you're just rounding on that right side even. That feels pretty rough. Can you take a deep breath in for me, actually? Not a lot of rib motion. A little better on the left, but here, deep breath in. We're going to clean the ribs up. Oh, that was a good one. And then up here, I'm going to have to give you some weight for this one. Breath in.
Don't hold back, eh?
Well, when you're adjusting in a gorilla, then... Oh yeah, that's tight too. Bending better on that right side. And then straight knee, can you raise the right leg up as high as it'll go? Good, and the left. Pretty even. You get to relax there. I'm going to bend you up. Hold that there for me. Good, and then I'll switch you. And hold. Not as great. Try that again. And one more. Definitely over there. And good. So I'm going to get you turned facing me over this way. Good. Good. And it's perfect. Just grab that elbow. Yep. Nice. And then we'll get you over on the other side. Good. Perfect. You got it. And then I'll get you back face down for me. That one, if I bend you up again, that's more even. Good. Hold that for me. Perfect, and then I'll switch you. Good. You get to relax there. Less awful, but still really tight.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's much happier. Good. All right. Yeah. Now with the ankles too, calves are a mess. Just to see, can I actually get you to point your toes for me and hold that there? They're at least mostly working. We'll switch you. Same thing. Point the toes. Good. Okay. And then I'm going to get you turned so that you're face up for me. And then relax into me here. Ooh, yeah. Oh, there it goes. Nice. That's really jammed too, actually. Sorry, that's an aggressive one, but that moves a lot better. And that's gonna, yeah.
Is the camera close enough to see the tears coming out of my eyes?
I think the mask is hiding them more than anything, but
That's good.
it does shoot in 4K, so everybody gets as real an experience as they can handle. Oy. This might be...
That's such a good diagnosis. Just, oh, God.
Yeah, exactly.
What's going on in there? Oh, yeah.
You don't want to
Yeah.
know.
Oh, no, you really don't.
Realistically, it's a levator scap issue from prolonged forward head posture. There we go. I get you to scooch down towards your toes for me?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. You're only going an inch or two.
No.
Sorry.
Well,
It wasn't meant to be as much of a... And then knees are going to come up, feet are flat on the table. Good. Good. And a deep breath in. There we go.
Oh, got it. It's not a beauty contest, right?
No, exactly. Ticklish? That's not usual for you.
Yeah.
All right. That is really strange. Good.
Like I walked in here 6 feet and I'm like 6'2" with all this.
Yeah, exactly. Unfortunately, the most real change I've ever actually measured pre and post was a couple centimeters, but yeah, that's a spot.
Oh.
Here, we'll take it easier on you. We'll go with the percussor.
Oh, jeez. I'm gonna take my feet. This is gonna be hilarious.
It shouldn't be that bad.
Big gorilla, but he starts giggling.
Yeah. Now I kind of want to try adjusting a real gorilla, but I also know I would probably die.
I feel like we have no idea how strong gorillas actually are. Because like we compare them to humans. Like how strong is this relative to a human? And it's like that's a strong animal.
Oh, I'm relatively certain even like the biggest humans I've ever adjusted are probably have nothing on a gorilla. I'd be happy to be proven wrong, and it'd be really cool, but I wouldn't say I was confident.
Oh, that's better.
Good. Yeah, that should be. All right. So in terms of testing of the arms, let's give it a go. I'm going to get you to do a biceps curl up into me. Oh god, yeah, activation is horrible there. Try that again. Yeah, so if we support the upper and then, yeah, more the upper tendon than
Trying
anything.
so hard.
Then we should get that bicep kick back in. Here, actually, I can bring it to the side. Show off what arm you've got. Kidding, I think you still dwarf me, so.
So I get bigger. It's just my lats.
It's kind of cool, actually. I watched you walk around the last time I saw you, and I was like, oh yeah, that's what all the guys with imaginary lat syndrome think they look like. You get that back, and then I'll have you try and curl up again for me. Much happier. And then do a triceps press. Good. I'll just try at a different angle too. Push it out into me. Good. And then I'll have you curl. You're going to try and hold your elbow up. I'm going to try and bring it down. Good. Just see, I'm going to try and bring you up. Try and hold that in. Good. And then drop the elbow down again. I'm going to try and pull you forward. Try and hold that back. Good, and then just to make sure the delt's doing something too, push right up into me. I'll have you bend your elbow. I'm gonna turn you up, you're gonna punch into my hand. Good. And then hold that back, I'm gonna try and bring you forward. Good. We'll come over here. And just curl up into me. Good. Press down into me. Good. Bring you up, press out into me. Good. And then hold the elbow up. Hold the elbow in. Good. I'm going to bring you straight out here. Hold that up for me. Oh, interesting. Okay, so we support the delt tendons. Nothing happens. And lymphatic drainage.
Something
We
happens.
change. And then
Nothing happens.
okay. You get to relax there. Yeah, that feels like it needs some help in there, actually. Tender?
Yeah, actually, substantially.
Which, considering we're using almost no pressure right now,
That's
not a good sign. I mean, you're not dying or anything, I don't think, but... Starting to let go, though. Perfect. So then if I bring you back up, hold that up. Beautiful. All right. And then I'm going to have you, perfect, punch up into my hand. Good. I'm going to turn you down, try and hold that back. Good. Let that relax for me, and then if we check traps are doing well, that all seems pretty good in through there. Good. So then from here, I'm going to just get you up, feel it out, let me know how it all feels.
yeah, 6'2".
There we go.
This is great.
I'm going to put the camera lower so you look like 7'6".
Oh man, my neck. What did you do when you were working? You said levator?
Yeah, in through the back
Because,
of the neck, the levator scap.
My whole head feels lighter.
Good. Yeah, I probably should at this point.
Nice. Oh, that's awesome.
Beautiful. Thank you.